she doesn't know it yet, but that's really bad for her ears. Hey, go get a hearing test. Come down to Listening Lab for a hearing test. And don't worry, it's free. Just WhatsApp, call, or book online at listeninglab.my. Our audiologist will guide you through the process. First, a check into your ears. Next, a hearing test with headphones on. When you hear a sound through the headphones, press the button given. As you can see, the process is quick, comfortable, and completely pain-free. When the tests are done, you get to have an in-depth analysis with your audiologist to discuss what the next steps are. If hearing support is needed, you can explore a hearing aid trial to find what works best for you. See you soon!